Often running in the Class 2 boys 400 meters. This one promises to excite. Zachary Wallace of Magotty on the outside has pushed the pace early. And a look at Omari Robinson of Jamaica College. Tahj-Marques White, though, with that super sprint speed, comes and joins him on the backstretch. So it's Tahj-Marques White looking best of all. Some running left to do for Nicoy Bramwell. Tahj-Marques White is absolutely storming. Remember the record, 46.33 seconds. Kingston College's Tahj-Marques White turns for home. Uncontested at the moment. Nicoy Bramwell putting on an almighty sprint. Omari Robinson of JC on the outside. But they're all looking at the heels of Tahj-Marques White. This man has been irrepressible all season. Tahj-Marques White marches to the Class 2 boys 400-meter title at Champs 2023, 47.70 seconds.
47.73, rounded 2, came in as favorite in his last year of Class 2 and delivers big time. 47.73, a respectable time. A nice Friday, Thursday evening, delivered well. In second and third, we had Omari Robinson from Jamaica College and Nicoy Bramwell for Calabar. Getting some love from the family right there.
So Tahj-Marques White delivers on the promise he's shown all year and delivers the gold for Kingston College. And of course the fans here in purple and white in a celebratory mood once again.
Tahj-Marques White, not to be denied, finished second behind his teammate Marcinio Rose last year, and then, afraid of the event this year, takes command very early, runs up to the shoulder of Omari Robinson, and in a flash goes by him at 200 meters, leans out into the third 100, that purple kit, white top. Bramwell coming on screen now, trying to chase, but it's all Tahj-Marques White with 100 meters to go. He unwinding, leaning out, leaving everything on the track. Bramwell trying to get back to him, but Robinson of Jamaica College, he settles in for second, but Tahj-Marques White, second last year, dips at the line and dips for the gold. Runs across that red kinesio tape, distinct on his right shin, gets there and gets there with comfort.
The Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.